For it, guys. Oh!
Look at my skills! Guys, I know the thumbnail kind of sounds like clickbait, but it kind of is, kind of not, because this is a way to take out your tooth. I'm not recommending this. It's like, ask your parents first if you can do it this way, but this is how I did it. It also cleaned out the tooth. And yeah, I just enjoyed the video.
Yeah, so we're not recommending anything. This is just his experience
we're not
how he did it, right?
To do it, so yeah. Kind of clickbait, kind of not, because I mean, this is a way to take it out, you know.
Yeah.
Anyways, enjoy the video.
You got anything to say then?
Flippin' sexy. What's the best background game for gameplay but real life? Kind of activation kind of.
Where? Let me see.
See what that is reading?
Where? Hold on. You gotta stop moving. The camera's not focusing. Alright, he says he's gonna pop it out himself. Let me see. Oh, look, just open your mouth right there.
Ow.
Can you pop it out? You have to pull it the other way, probably. Pull it the other way. Yeah, that way. Dude, don't throw it on my foot.
I don't want to get like pulled out where it hurts really bad.
I doubt it'll hurt it, but yeah, maybe. We got some of that, oh, yeah, I'll probably, here, you wanna wait us? Alright, so we're back real quick. Part 2, not really part 2, but we got the salt with a little bit of warm water for after, with the half peroxide, half water real quick. You know, because it kills. No, you probably could, but. Alright, go ahead, let's pop this thing out.
Oh god, there's that one thread.
It's all on you, man.
See that?
Where? Here, let me zoom in. Yeah, that's freaking gross. Ugh. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Let's get some likes in this video, guys. Smash some like buttons. Oh. He's going for it, guys. Oh! Damn it! For it, guys. Oh! There he goes. You guys even heard that sound. That thing was, that's nasty.
Hot.
Huh? Let me see.
Hot.
Let me see. Oh, I didn't eat. The camera wasn't on. I didn't record it the whole time. Psych! Your face is like, what?
Still hot.
Here, let me see. Open your mouth. No, open your mouth out. Not smiling.
Hot.
Where is it? There's a silver tooth already in. Oh, never mind. Gross.
Yeah, hot.
Here we go. Alright, so go ahead. Let's set that teeth down. Right here. What do you do after you rinse? This is what we do in our family. If we're doing it wrong, let us know. So, half peroxide, rinse it. You want more water in that thing, or does it taste too much peroxide?
I need water.
You just gotta keep swishing with that. Here, I'll put a little more water in there. I think it's plenty, man. It's because you got a lot of bacteria, that's why. You're gonna have to swish that whole cup.
I hate disgusting.
We got a big game tomorrow, guys, so. Oh, it looks like it stopped bleeding already, see? That's why we do it. There we go, no more blood. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and grab his tooth. We'll see what happens. I'll get back to the video tomorrow morning on this one. So it's all bloody and stuff. So, see what happens to the water. Half water, half peroxide.
I want you guys to get me 50 likes! 50 likes!
There we go. Let that soak there right now. It's already fuzzing, right? Is it? Yeah, look at that. It's already fuzzing. So it's cleaning all the bacteria in there. So then Hazen can make a necklace out of it. Oh shoot, camera's about to die. Alright, so next step that we do after Hazen rinses, so we're gonna go ahead and put salt. Actually, while he's rinsing, I'm gonna grab a new battery. Hazen? Now we put the salt on the wound. Salt is very good, so we get a nice thick piece of salt. This is gonna taste nasty. This is the way I did it when I was his age, so.
That's how much kids have proofing. You have to have all that, eat all of it.
Why would I say eat it? You put this on the wound because it helps it heal. You're gonna leave this here so then you can reapply it.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
Yes?
I don't know. I don't remember it. It's been a long time. Does it hurt? Huh? Salt on wound in the mouth does not hurt, see?
Okay, guys, we are back. It is the next morning. We have to go to school, but first I'm going to show you this. It's really pretty good.
Well, it looks like the teeth is totally...
It's still going.
What is it? It's totally clean now, right? It's still going a little bit. But the teeth is basically, yeah. It's basically clean. Did it look like it shrinked in it? No. But it basically cleaned out all the bacteria, so.
But also, this.
That's weird.
I also had a tooth that was pushing this other one.
Hold it. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Let's look. Let me see. Open bigger. So. Oh, is that the teeth pushing it out? Where? Wait, open. Let me see. The teeth's already coming out. You guys see it? Hold on. Let me focus. There's a tooth already coming out, guys.
That helped push it out.
Yeah.
And yeah, so I need to put some salt in it.
Yeah, he cleaned it one more time.
Okay, guys. So I'm going to end the video right here. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment, like this video, like I said, turn on your notifications if you want to see like Fortnite, basketball, like games, anything. You comment and we might do it, and yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Like and subscribe to